So if you like roast chicken, this video is for you.
Thailand, a street food paradise. And for today's recipe, we're going to do one of those classic grilled street foods, Gai Yan, which translates to grilled chicken. There are many variations to this grilled chicken, but today we're going to do one that you can make at home. So let's get started.
So for today's recipe, we're going to do Gai Yan. Gai Yan just is a grilled chicken recipe that comes from the north of Thailand and parts of Laos.
The first thing I've done is I've lightly smoked my chicken and I've spatchcocked my chicken. Spatchcock just means butterflying the entire chicken. Now I need that classic smoky char flavor. And since I don't have a barbecue at home, I'm gonna lightly smoke my chicken. Next, I wanna toast some coriander seeds and some black pepper. I'm gonna give it a light toast. Next, the garlic. Take a handful of garlic and then pound it in a mortar almost to a paste-like consistency. Chop your lemongrass, add your peppercorns, white pepper and coriander seeds, coriander stems, and give it a nice pound. Now add all that with the garlic, a bit of honey, some fish sauce, and some soy sauce. Now mix that all together. Thailand, they use palm sugar, but I'm using honey. So feel free to use palm sugar if you have some. Time to marinate the chicken. Just generously apply all the marinade on the top side and the bottom side of your chicken. Make sure you don't miss any spots. Now we're gonna let the chicken marinate for at least 12 hours to 24 hours. Then into the oven, and let's make the jinjao sauce. Chilies, garlic, coriander, vinegar, some water, some honey, and give it a nice mix. Now I've added a bit of soybean paste, but that's optional. After about an hour, your chicken should be good to go. Now for a full description of the temperatures, please check the description box below. Now you can either serve the chicken whole or you can chop it like the Thais do. If you see how moist and juicy the chicken is. Now dip the chicken in the sauce, serve it with some cucumbers and some garlic rice, or even toss it upon a salad or in a sandwich. Either way, this chicken is super delicious. As always, the whole recipe will be in the description box along with the temperatures. Thank you for watching again, and bon appetit!